Hello everyone and welcome to this 10th Learn-chinese.online video. In this video, we will study 5 more Chinese characters from Lesson 2. The Chinese character ye also should be familiar. We saw it as a component in the Chinese character ta, he, him. Its writing comes from two different Chinese characters which were very similar, the vase and the snake. You should know how to write it, but we will still see its writing one more time. Look at the animation and do the exercise as usual. Here is the stroke order to do the exercise on writing grids. A very small exercise. Please pause the video and translate this sentence in Chinese characters. Then start the video again to see the correction. So, I am also very well, thank you. 我也很好，谢谢. We have to write the adverb 很 to remove the comparison. Do you remember this rule? And note that 也 is written before 很. Repeat after me. 我也很好，谢谢。我也很好，谢谢。请 to invite. This Chinese character has two components. On the left-hand side, the component for speech, and on the right-hand side, a phonetic component which is pronounced qing and means blue-green. This Chinese character has traditional writing. You can see that only the left component was simplified. The ancient Chinese character already had the component for speech on the left, and on the right-hand side we have two components. On top is sheng, to be born, and underneath is the component for cinnabar, a red mineral. These two components originally meant something red or colored. In the word qing, to invite, they just are a phonetic component. Here is the writing. And the stroke order. A small sentence. I invite you. Very easy. 我请你坐 to sit. This Chinese character has two different components. The component for human, twice, and the component for earth. Originally, this Chinese character represented two people sitting on the floor. Writing this Chinese character is quite easy. First, the two components for humans. Then, the component for earth. And now the stroke order. A very small exercise. Try to translate "sit down please" in Chinese. In Chinese, we will say, I invite you to sit down. 请坐. We don't say 我请你坐. We don't use personal pronouns. Next Chinese character. 客 host, guest. It cannot be used alone. 客 has three components. On the top, the roof with one dot, to walk, and the mouth. We can find two different explanations for its etymology. First, a variant of the roof and the mouth of the Chinese character for two words. By hiding the component for walk, it means to go towards some place, because we have been invited. This is not my favorite explanation. The second explanation says that we have an ideophonogram composed of the roof, because we invite people in our house, and a Chinese character ge for the pronunciation. Now the writing, from top to bottom. And the stroke order. A famous Chinese character now. Qi, steam, breathe. It is the well-known qi of Chinese medicine, martial art or qing. It is called ki in Japanese. We found it in the word aikido, which means way of harmonizing energy. Qi has a traditional script which is composed of the steam and the rice. Strangely, the oldest form of this Chinese character is the simplified version. It represented mist or haze. In Chinese philosophy, the notion of qi is very important. You have to know that traditionally, Chinese people see the world or the cosmos dynamically, and the qi represents its energy. The writing is quite simple, but don't write the fourth stroke too round. It is much better to write Chinese characters too straight than too round. And the stroke order. And now we can write the word keqi to be polite. Note that the qi changes for the neutral tone. We don't say keqi, but keqi. Now, what does this sentence mean? 他很客气. He is polite or he is very polite. You must remember that 很 removes the comparison in affirmative sentences with adjectival verbs. And the expression of lesson 2, 不客气, you're welcome, which literally means don't be polite. Note that the 不 changes its tone. The rule is when 不 is followed by a fourth tone or falling tone syllable, 不 becomes a second tone or rising tone syllable. We don't say 不客气, but 不客气. Listen again to the difference. 不客气, 不客气. Repeat after me. 不客气, 不客气. The final exercise. As usual, pause the video, translate these sentences in Chinese characters, and start the video again. Let's see the correction. Hello, students. 同学们好. Hello, professor. 老师好. Are you all right? 你们好吗? We are fine, thank you. And you? 我们很好，谢谢。你呢？ I'm also very well, thank you. Sit down, please. 我也很好，谢谢。请坐。Thank you. 谢谢。You're welcome. 不客气。Repeat after me. 同学们好。老师好。你们好吗？我们很好，谢谢。你呢？我也很好，谢谢。请坐。谢谢。不客气。This video is now over. Thank you for watching it to the end. Remember to like, comment, and share. In the next video, we will see the last 5 Chinese characters from lesson 2. See you there.